Welcome back. A really interesting word problem. Not only that we can apply our previously gained knowledge, we can also learn a little bit of fact. So next time, if you travel to Dallas, go ahead to see the Dallas Convention Center. There's a parabolic arches that support the roof of the center can be modeled by the graph of the equation y equals negative 0.0019x squared plus 0.71x. It asks what is the height h at the highest point, not point, to the arch. Okay, all right, so we're going to rewrite this. This is our function. And remember, our standard form says y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, what does a do for us? A can tell us, is the graph open upwards or open downwards? Since in this case, a is negative 0.0019, which means the graph gonna be opening downwards. And we're going to look for the extremum. Extremum here is our maximum value. Now, we're going to use GeoGebra. Of course, if you have other favorite app, you can use that. Math Solver is also a good one. And also you can use your graphing calculator. You have your Texas graphing calculator. So choose the one that you really like. All right, we're gonna plug it in. Y equals negative 0.0019x squared and plus 0.71x. Let's see what we have. Oh no, how come it looks like a linear? We know it cannot be linear. Parabola has to be a U-shaped. Is there anything wrong here? No worries. Let's change the window. And now we're going to click this, see what we have. It shows zoom to fit. Now we got a parabola. And once we got a parabola, and we can see what we have. And did you see once we click this point, the word pop up for us. It says extremum. Remember, when the graph is opening downwards, extremum tells us our highest point, which is our maximum value. And if you look at here, oh, this really long, many digits number. This one is your x-coordinate. What you want to read is you want to read your y-coordinate. Okay, the y-coordinate gives it to you the height of this architecture. That is how you use your current knowledge and your graphing calculator trying to figure out the solution to this word problem. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Happy learning.